Hello, good morning everyone. Today 2024 February 6. So we will cover all these stocks by today, which is stock picked by research houses. So first we go for the disclaimer. All the contents in this video, stocks mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying or selling call for the viewer or subscriber. So we're starting with the overnight US markets. US market, all three indexes is dropping slightly. It's not dropping much. Later on we will have a look on their chartings. In terms of Europe, they are dropping more than 1% right over there. So overnight US market is dropping lower due to the bond yield surge. So you can see on the right side their news right over there. And Dow Jones south of 300 over points after Caterpillar, McDonald's, Nvidia surged to record highs, all these things. And the investing.com, they are mentioning about the rising bond yields causing on the stock dropping. So when they are talking about the bond yield rising, meaning that they are expecting for the slower pace for the interest rate droppings. So meaning that that causing the bond yield risings. Okay, let's have a look on the Nasdaq index. And Nasdaq index is dropping small. This is dropping 0.2% only. We can see the candles. These candles look like hangman candlesticks. Anyhow, we calling this type of candlestick as we still need to monitor more on the indexes, how the market is going on. I mean, at current stage, the market sentiment, the trending still on the uptrend. You can see on the pink color line uptrending, and the 20 days moving average is sloping upward. We have a look on the S&P 500 as well, pretty much similar to the Nasdaq index as well. So uptrending through 20 days simple moving average is moving upside, and the candlestick is hammering like Dow Jones, nothing much difference, uptrending and staying above the 20 lines, simple moving average and sloping upside. So we come to the local Malaysia market. So we have a look on the local Malaysia market here. So we can see that we have been sideways consolidations for 5 trading days. For the past 5 trading days, even though there was a breakout on the sideways consolidation above 1505 level, so they are signaling for the sideways consolidation for 5 days already after the breakup. So we still need to monitoring for the KLC index. Anyhow, the trending for the KLC is still moving upside. We can see on the SMA, silver moving average is looping upside as well, and the trending obviously is on the uptrend, right? We can draw some pretty much like a short-term trending right here. So it's obviously still on the uptrend. Okay, so the major support is somewhere around we go 1460, and immediate supporting will be 1005 level. So Malaysia market is still on the uptrend, pretty much steady at this moment. We have a look on the stock pick by the research houses today. So today is February 6, right? So we're starting with the first stock picks by the research houses of M+. First one will be 3A. 3A Resources Board. So we can see that they're mentioning buy above 855. Overnight closing is 855. So meaning that you can buy in when the opening is 855 level. The stop loss level given is 8.2, which is around how many cents? 3 cents, right? Yep, 3 cents away. Pretty much short term over there, which is risking 3.5%, and the target is 855 and 90 cents. So 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and 1-to-5, somewhere around 1-to-5 risk reward ratio right over there as well. So this one is pretty much like a short term trading. We zoom out a little bit, have a look on the charting for 3As. So we can see that very short term is still moving upside. So it's moving up to closing the gap for the 88 cent level. I would say somewhere right over there. We can draw a uptrend line here. See whether this trending can sustain or not. This one is one of the major downtrending line. So where chartists may have a look on monitoring whether the 3A is going to break this line or not. Okay, I would say at current stage is still not encouraging for the volume. Seems to be it's not ready yet for this stock to driving higher. So as they are suggesting you need to break 855, right? I believe you need to break far more higher range, maybe around 87.5, somewhere around there. Anyhow, this one is pretty much short-term trading. I would say still okay for it. So second stock would be Paramount. Paramount is sideways consolidations for 1 to 2 months times. So overnight closing at 9.5, and the stop loss level given, they mentioned buy above 9.5. Overnight is closing 9.5, meaning that if opening at 99 cents you can buy in already. So in fact yesterday highest level was at 99 cents. Considering this one is already a buy call immediately with a stop loss level 97 cents. This one is right thin of the stop loss level, and the target level is 102 and 105. And of course this one is pretty much like short-term trading, intra-trading or contra trade only. So and plus chartist trading style is pretty much like intradays or contra trading only. So the next stock by the Maybank Investment Bank will be Aeon Credit. Aeon Credit Services. Aeon Credit Services overnight closing 1592. So you can see that this Aeon Credit has been moving sideways for since March of this year's. February or March of this year, you can see that it's driving down and coming back, driving down, coming back, driving down, coming back. It's pretty much like they are washing some weak holder. So it bring up, then the short-term trader chasing in, then they wash them up. Impatient trader will not have holding power for this type of trading charting. So make sure if you want to trade for this type of stock, you need to have a holding power for it, because it could be easily to be washed out by the washing out. It's like a washing machine, right? So they're driving, then short-term trader chasing in. Once you're chasing in, they'll wash you out. They drive it down, then you chase it out, up, down, around here. So I would say if you have any patience for this one, you need to have holding power. Maybe the potential buying point will be somewhere around 570 instead of 592. So that's my own view, but my Maybank Investment Bank chartist buying range will be 590 to 594. So meaning that now you can buy in with a stop loss level 570, which is 22 cent range of stop loss level, which is acceptable, which is somewhere around 4% range stop loss, and the target given is 6 to 1. So I need to adjust for this one. So their resistance target level is 621 and 665 level. So you need to have holding power for this one. So be more patient for this type of stocks if you want to trade for Aeon Credit. Okay. So the next stock pick would be by Classic Scenic Maybank Investment Bank. So overnight, this one pretty much like they are paying the swing. So it coming down, then it pulled down, and the price action bounce off. So they are calling for the swing play for this one, price action. Overnight closing 4.5. Stop loss level given is 45 cent level, which is 4 cent half, which is around 10% over this one. I would say acceptable for the stop loss level, and the target given is 55 cents 60 half. Anyhow, for this type of chart, I would say it potentially is going to drive lower. That's my point. I mean, maybe some other people may not think the same. Of course, we cannot 100% judge whether the price will going higher or not. If I know already, no need to talk here, right? So we go for the next stocks for this one, Magni. Magnitech Industry. So overnight closing is 19.5. This one is pretty much like a swing play as well. Price action breakout for the short-term trading, short-term consolidation right here. So they are buying in at 190 to 192 range, overnight 191. Consider buying in level already. So, and the stop loss level given is 184, which is around 7 cents acceptable, and the target given is 203 and 213. Is pretty much right here. If you like to bring the further string, I would say you can go for it. So the next stock would be Teo Seng by M Bank. Teo Seng by M Bank. So you can see the trending is moving so strong because of the price of the egg, right? So, and this one when the closing 193, stop loss level given is 173, while the target given is 220 and 240. I need to zoom out to check on the target given. 240 and 220 is right over here. So the slope is very strong right here. I would say many people like to chasing that not so encouraging. If you like to trade this type of stocks for the string player, yes, but make sure you need to control your capitals to putting in for the strong sloping of the uptrending. So the last research house topic will be by RHB. The first one would be CTOS. CTOS is picked by another research house. I believe it should be Maybank Investment Bank, if you will back. So I mean, like yesterday, the Maybank Investment Bank already picked for this stock. So meaning that RHB is 1 day delay. So 1 day delay could cost you how much? Depends on your capital, of course. So overnight closing is 148, but last 2 days ago is closing 148, but yesterday is 150. So IHP is calling for the breakout above 147. It's supposedly 2 days ago already breakout. So, but they are calling 1 day delay right there. So you are on the losing hand for 2 cents. Anyhow, their stop loss level given is 138. 138 still acceptable, and the stop loss target given is 156, 176. We zoom out a little bit. 156 and 176 pretty much standard for the resistance level. I would say for the breakout consolidation right over here, you can check on my previous yesterday video. I did mention about the details. And the next stock pick would be D-Sonic. Data Sonic. Overnight closing is 45 cents, but they are calling for the pending breakout for 46 cent level. Pending breakout above 46 cents. So meaning is that if the markets Data Sonic manage to break 46 half, you can buy in with a stop loss level 55 cents. It's obviously they put up the wrong stop loss level right over there. It's impossible the stop loss level is above the entry level, right? So I would say maybe we can do some adjustment. Maybe we can put it the stop loss level somewhere around 43 cents right over here if you entry at 46 half, and the target given would be 50 cents and 55 cents, right? So pretty much standard for the target price right over there. Okay, this one is calling for the buying for the string lah. So and string for the breakout as well. If you like this stock, you can have a look inside. Next stock will be Skicom. overnight closing is 111. So they are saying the pending breakout is 112 level. So which is 1 cent difference over there, 112. So meaning that opening at 112 and above, or 113, maybe your entry price will be 113. So you can using, if you like this stock, you can using buy sell stop limits in the mapping platform to placing for it. So you no need to monitor whether it break it or not, right? So and the stop loss level given is 108. So the stop loss level will be somewhere around 5 cents if you enter at 113. Target price given is 117 and 125. So this one pretty much standard for the resistance level. So this one is playing for the string. And the last stock covered by today will be the SCG Berhad, Southern Cable. So overnight closing is 4.2 They are saying the breakout above 42 cents, meaning that if you are opening at 4.2 you can buy in already, even if open lower, meaning that you also can consider buying in because overnight closings is already broken the breakout level, and the stop loss level is 38 acceptable, and 45 cents and 49 cents will be the target level given. 45 cents seems to be too close comparing the risk reward ratio. Anyhow, the second target would be the 49 cent acceptable resistance. This one is definitely playing for the uptrending swing breakout over there. So if you like it, you can have a look for it. If you're interested to open an account, you can check in the link in the description. There is a video to guide you through how to open the account in Maybank with a promo code right inside, so can assist you afterward once the account is ready. If you're interested to open margin account, you can check with me as well. There's a WhatsApp link at the bottom description level. So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.